Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Apostle Alfred Uyinosa, the man wey dey talk am as e be, dey ask, now why we dey wicked ourselves? Make I leave you now, make you hear from Apostle Alfred, the reason why he dey ask this question. Enjoy the video.
My brothers and sisters, una good evening, good afternoon, good morning, depending on the location. Una for the watch this broadcast this evening. Each time I dey listen to this song, na cry they cry. When prophet, evangelist, doctor Leslie Okosun sing this song in the 80s, that song she dey make sense to me till tomorrow. Each time I dey listen to the song, my mood go just change. But before I start waiting, before we begin to put mouth for waiting day grant this evening, una good evening. My name is Jeremiah Apostle Alfred Uyinosa. My brother there with me.
Good evening, everybody, and my name also still remains Victor Olise.
Talk am as it be in the broadcast of truth. When it be say we dey talk am as it be, we no dey look anybody face, fear or intimidation. No, we are not interested. We dey talk am as it be. And a German man will say it the way it is, straight. You no need to cut corner to let people know so you dey drive on your message. So we will continue to dey talk am as it dey be. My people, now God go bless Sonny Okosun anywhere he dey right now, because this song, each time I dey listen to am, it dey change my mood. Well, notwithstanding, freedom is now or never. We will continue to fight for freedom. So my people, now why we dey wicked ourselves? Now why we dey wicked ourselves? 99.9% of wetin we dey go through for Nigeria, now we dey responsible. Why we dey wicked ourselves? Why we dey wicked ourselves? Now the government they talk about shut down COVID-19 and the rest. Victor president, they not make plan. Say school will resume. How? What are the modalities?
Donald Trump?
No, your president, Bubu.
No,
President, Bubu.
No,
And
no, my president.
Victor president,
No.
he not make plan for school to say now, under this COVID-19 epidemic, whatever they call a pandemic, say now, children never start school. They want go on e-learning. How they want to go on e-learning? Victor president and the governor and the rest, they don't make plan for all these things. Why would they wicked ourselves like this? I even hear one of the institutions say the students are going to teach them online. How much for data? Person will never see food chop. Now you want to go buy data for subscription. When it be said before you even load 10 naira, 10,000 naira, before you do jack, you don't the MTN, Airtel or Glow, they don't remove all the data for your phone. Our leaders waiting we do now. I don't know waiting Victor president Bubu. They don't see us finish. So make a hear from Ipikin, because Ipikin sit down here, make a hear why a president not make preparation for the people.
All right, now good evening, everybody. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, depending on where una take they watch this beautiful broadcast from. And first and foremost, I would like to appreciate God for this privilege when He give all of us to see today. If we say more, we chook mouth for what they happen for Nigeria, and they and go break us for what they happen for Nigeria. If we say we want to analyze them. But if I want to react quickly to what Apostle talk, I'll first want correct one notion. President Bubu not my president. No. If I see my president, I know my president. Why? Because my president na person when go get the people at heart. My president na man or woman when go come out under rain, when go come out under sun to stand for the goodwill of the common Nigerian people. But waiting with the see for Nigeria now otherwise. This is now why me I say whoever they lead Nigeria as their president, no be my president. You get what? Una fit no understand though. So waiting this small begin to talk. no be Nigerian you be, no be Nigeria you dey. Na Nigerian I be, na Nigeria I dey. But I get my own choice to say wetin I wan say. Why? Because say I don grow reach to understand wetin good and wetin bad. Now, we will analyze very, very well. COVID-19. If una hear the name where COVID, wetin? COVID-19. Which year we dey so?
2021.
2021. That means say COVID-19 e dey attached to the year 2019. If you flip back to how we take start, you go know say e get traces to 2019. That's why they name am COVID 149 before 19 when they call am.
COVID 419.
When they call am.
For Nigeria. Oh.
As we speak right now, ever since that their COVID 419 don't come out till date as we speak, my brothers and sisters when they school never feel resume back to school. As we speak right now, the Nigerian government never feel come out to tell the good people of Nigeria say, and this pandemic it affect everybody for the whole world. But as a government, see the strategy and we don't put in place to ensure say this now our plan B. Everybody go fit take go back. Every children rather go fit take go back to school.
My brother, your president, Bubu, why you go plan on go back to school when your own children they other foreign university?
I be they go there.
I beg. I don't know why your president
I be they go there.
and all the ministers, their children in this country.
Now, wait till you just talk to this point now, very salient point. Why? Because Nigerians never feel still understand how to choose their leader. They never feel still identify the right parameter and indicators
How?
to take
They know they vote.
to take elect their leader. Now, if, for example, we get presidential election, out of the estimated 200 million Nigerians when they this country, just only 5 million Nigerians vote. Why? Because they see say whoever party A or party B bring out, no be their candidate of their choice. The rest, it go dey shameful to Nigeria, to the whole world. Say, see, Nigeria when population now over 200 million, only 5 million vote.
Now don't they vote.
But as we speak right now, 2023 never reach here. But young people, they don't carry Tinubu for head. They shout up and down. These now people when you know, me and you know, say none of their children, they school for this country. How it go take affect them when none of their children they school for this country? Also, don't forget, I tell you something. Say to make Nigerian work, one of the major factor to really focus on now for us to raise women, to raise good mothers, to raise good wife. Apostle, you don't forget I tell you this thing.
Yeah.
To raise good wife. Now make I talk on why make I defend why I talk this thing. Say one of the major factor, if we want make this country work, now to raise good women, mothers, wife. Now, all these politicians, they get wife. They get wife.
You sure?
Now, if and take it or leave, no matter how strong any heart of a man be, in wife, take it or leave it. If you bring 10 men, kings, when we say they be politicians, no matter how their heart strong reach, 8 out of those 10, they listen to their wife.
My brother, for Nigeria.
No, apostle, that's why we they go. You get where we they go. That's why I say, that's why I say we must raise
Godly mothers.
women. You understand? We must raise women when
Because the women will get now.
if we get wives, better wives, maybe they help us, they condition their husband to a very large extent. To be honest, to a very large extent, Nigeria go dey get development. Now, how would they get Stella Obasanjo Hospital?
Because the woman there condition Obasanjo.
How would they get them?
You want conditioner.
Because the president marry Edo woman.
Then they kill and throw away.
As he marry Edo woman, now the woman look say, honey, you see what I want to for my community. He get option.
No.
He don't get option. He did it.
But why God bless you, my brother. This matter we bring also. Why this current politician wife no they feel prevail on their husband to do good thing? My brother, I don't understand. Now devil they use them, a witch they use them.
Now their preparedness.
Oh, they're not prepared.
That is their preparedness. Now, for example, woman when no know where she they go at some point in time, wealth they very powerful. Power they intoxicating. If this thing jam them, before you know, the wealth and power will just take them over.
Intoxicate them.
Intoxicate them.
Because they're going to grow that.
So one of the major thing, if we want to really fix this country, why?
Now to raise godly women.
We raise women.
We go feel prevent their husband.
We talk to their husband. Oni, I don't understand. At the year say for Senate or for House of Rep, una they debate this thing. No, it can't work. Now,
Nigeria
let
women.
us say it again, more explain and further again. As we speak right now, if they will say we want protest, for example, we want protest now. If 50 women come out,
not be just women. The women be said they married politician.
yes.
Yeah, I want me to get specific.
No, I'm not go politician now.
Okay, politician first.
I want you to analyze something.
Okay, analyze
I want you to
that.
analyze the
Good.
importance of women
I beg, open them up.
and how they think they get this sympathy look and then they find their way around to achieving things.
Okay.
If 50 women come out to protest and 1,000 men come out to protest, waiting those 50 women go achieve that 1,000 men, no vex, they no fit achieve am.
They don't go achieve, and not true be that. You correct.
Then 50 too much.
You correct. 25 women.
Then waiting those women go achieve and waiting those men go achieve. I lie, you fit compare.
You are very correct.
And so automatically, this na another thing where our own mothers
Supposed to do.
they do right now to help us raise daughters when go fit dey godly, number one, daughters when go fit dey responsible, such that they understand what it means to handle a family. So if I marry now, my wife, I dey politics, my wife, as I reach out, my wife dem say, honey, I dey watch una for television. I know that una dey debate say make we una pass underage marriage. I don't understand. Wait, this na wetin una dey talk for House of Rep? I don't understand. You understand?
So which means this problem, the solution to this problem now, sir, is dead the women hand.
It did the mother side now.
Oh, la baka.
Because they are the one responsible to raising generations. They're the one responsible to raising, either they take it or they leave it. They must accept this responsibility. Either they take it or they leave it. So, as the mother they raise the child, as they raise the child, she they raise the child to understanding certain things, either the boy or the girl.
Wait to bet you know say an average Nigerian man no dey listen to their wife.
Yes. And
So how we want to solve it, because this one a national problem.
Yes, sir.
Now because the solution to this problem, they our mother's hand. They want to the politician, they want to the stakeholders. Now, what do we, because this thing is becoming unbearable.
If you say an average Nigerian politician know they listen to their wife, now because say he married the wrong woman. Now this is it. No man, as we speak, no man on planet Earth see the woman when he love, talk to her, you know, go listen to her.
But you know say some men there now, the woman when they check shut up, the woman cannot say anything.
And that's why I say those ones they marry under conditions.
Till tomorrow.
Till tomorrow. When a man see woman, which person head they cut for Bible?
Now John the Baptist said now.
Who say me they cut the head?
Now woman Hey? So that make we call the wicked ourselves so.
So you see, so when a man marries a woman that he loves, he listen to her. He not get option. As it all this our politicians when they form say they're strong, they only listen to their wife. Then they listen to one small girl for outside.
Wait, you gotta figure
Yeah,
you gotta look at your hair. You gotta look at your.
They say your hand is so soft.
You gotta, oh, it's so soft. You gotta, oh, look at your beer.
Yeah.
But look like this. Oh. But they go feel listen to small girls for outside.
Yeah.
Their wives for their house, they don't go feel listen to them. So which means the solution to this Nigeria problem is there our mothers' hand.
Yes, now.
Why? Because they don't fail to raise godly daughters. Now, even these so-called politician wives, these women get 100% role to play when they go feel change our society, because everything they woman had. So if this nation, if this country go better for all of us, if they woman hand.
Of course. We don't.
So which means because more can go boo wife now, Aisha Buhari now, because she don't compromise,
That one.
she not fit stand her ground.
She cannot talk to her husband.
So apart from what about President Lawan?
They
When they get so many wives.
as we speak, Apostle, this is it. Eh? If you check with Mama Ife talk now, you say if they see money, they forget everything. And what they chase is women. Women.
And the women are going to chase money because I try to the Ghana bring Ghana must go.
You understand?
Now be saying at that time they want to buy iPhone 10
So
plus.
the man would just give them the money, make they go to buy the social number.
Okay.
He go just open the money, so yeah, go and do whatever you want to do.
Just they go Dubai. That time they want to go Dubai. They want to go Spain. They want to go all
Everywhere.
over the country. I am a politician wife. Ah.
So that's where we mix it. We mix some for year. And not until we identify this, because this part, it is very, very important. These same mothers, and then go still raise another generation of leaders. Because their children, they watch them. Either you take it or leave it. Papa and a politician, he go like introduce the pikin into politics as well.
But sorry, sir. With the crops of guess what they see today now, sir. How they want to raise this generation? Because me and you they move down, and then you go look me say, Apostle, they will allow you for poor seed for the people body.
With waiting with the see for especially my generation, this young youth. So
They go worst though. Let me
fear,
show they don't worst. They don't worst by their mama.
fear,
They don't worst by their grandmother.
fear, they catch us.
And with the fear.
Fear. To be honest, fear they catch. Why? Because the children, when we, my generation, go give birth to, how we go take raise them, they scary because of the level of information when they are rich right now. But also, if we want to try see how we fit take narrow them down to take achieve better results this evening, and now for us as parents to review our relationship with our children, how we take the train our children, number one. Number two, how we take handle them the spiritual aspect. Victor, what do you mean? Other countries, what you concern the spiritual aspect? Yes, other countries they get leaders when understand say they fit make their society governable and acceptable for all the citizens, but our own they different.
Wait, no vessel. Una, your president.
Yes, sir.
No, your president they travel out of the country. Una House of Rep members, they know they travel.
They travel.
Why be say by the time they come back, they don't they implement wetin they see for that side? Why? Why be say that the bad one? Because I will hear say una president na one with a vaccine. They say 400 billion naira for vaccine. Yes, so spending 400 billion naira on COVID-19 vaccine.
Mafe answer the question when you ask.
Yeah.
You say why we say our leaders, if they travel, waiting they see, they know they carry and come.
Yes.
First, more fair understand why our leaders they travel go abroad. Why they travel? They not travel go abroad to go do research or findings
Okay.
on waiting they abroad to carry and come Nigeria.
Okay, they travel for tourism.
They travel on vacation.
Just go relax.
Just go relax.
Okay.
So as the wife they Dubai in the UK
Okay, with women.
with women. You understand? So the reason why our leaders or rulers rather they travel go abroad, not be to go do research on waiting they make they carry and come. As a matter of fact, our senator they will use escort with over 50 or 100 mopo take guide and reach airport for Abuja. If you fly reach Europe,
Na only one.
now only one go stand for train. Which hand you want me to take the right waiting they see? No PA follow when they snap waiting they see for
No, no PA.
so you don't see anything.
No, they don't reach there come around.
You don't see anything.
So which means, sir, as we dey talk am now,
Yeah.
99% of the solution to Nigeria problem dey our women hand.
Of course.
Because let me come back to Edo State now. Like Alhaji
You
Native
waiting Mama if you talk.
in Europe, women are the first people
To
to
come
come out.
out.
For Nigeria, women are the last people to come out. They'll go hide because of Ekunje. Will they come? Now, make we look at the case of Alhaji Native Dr. Pastor Ezeyamu now.
Okay.
Where they terrorize the state now. If his wife na real godly woman, he go don tell the husband, say, Oga, my husband relax. Maybe the woman they advise your husband shout, I'm not sure.
I don't tell people this thing. Say, this is the first time I'm saying it though on air, but I tell my friends.
I bet talk about the year.
I know fear is I fear a wife.
Okay.
I study her because I know her. And she be lecturer. I study her. I can't realize say upon all the things when they fly for media,
Yes.
this woman still stand gidigba. They say, "Oh yeah, on it move."
Move. Hey.
That means say this woman a very strong, powerful woman.
She don't care, but when she never care, provided your husband become
She say
governor.
they push, say on it move.
Move.
Move, let's go. Move, let's go.
Hey.
You understand? Me, I see that woman because I know her. Yeah, I know. I see that woman. Especially when we say because she gets strong will.
The woman where every day oppress people for work.
She gets strong will in terms of personality. She gets strong will. If you see her, the way she talk, you know, say no, this woman she not be pushed over. And at the same time, if you check her faith, how she they committed for the things of God, you will tend to say no. This woman, if this woman fit talk to her husband will listen. But
You know they talk.
they push.
They say
for
push.
back. This is now another big sign for us to confirm the power of a woman. To confirm the power of a woman. We not feel underplay am.
But you know, say some men no they listen to their wife. Oh.
That's why I say this one no be their wife.
So who they come be?
They marry those women when their eye never open. Number one.
You just mean say all the Nigerian politicians, all of them not married their wife. If all of them.
Now this apostle, this is now. For who marry in wife when still they misbehave, now because say in wife no understand purpose.
Okay.
If your wife understand purpose, it go fit call your husband and say, "Honey, no, we can't do this. At the detriment of our family name, no, we can't do this." You understand? But because she just automatically say,
See money.
See what your husband they do? They show on television, see money for everywhere.
Now
They do and they go.
you're gonna say buy me G-Wagon,
You understand? And
buy me Votron.
and nothing concern if you like. They don't already conclude say yes, men are cheats. Say men they flirt up and down. Make your husband they flirt up and as far as say money day for sharing our children to travel anywhere they want to travel, go all over the world. You know concern. But imagine say as we did so, make I analyze Barack Obama
Okay.
and Mitchell.
Okay.
You know if we push Mitchell aside, say because say Barack Obama na president
No.
or na national or global leader.
No.
It's not possible. If you watch the both of them, you go see
Side by side.
you go see 50-50.
Side by side.
You go see 60-40. At times, Mitchell self go be 60. Obama go be 40%. At times, Obama go be 60. Mitchell go be 60-40. At times, you see them 50-50. You see this sign saying that they communicate, but come our own end there.
Our end, the money that they communicate, money.
You know, consign them.
Money just to go buy is it bone straight hair? Bone when it's straight hair. 150, 200. Now they want buy all the gold finish. Now they want use the necklace, 150 karat gold. Now they want use and finish. Why be say Nigeria women, politician wife today materialistic?
We need to hold them accountable. Why? Because
We own accountable.
as far as we are concerned, now them be the king over their husband. Take it or leave it. And if you want open and fully, their husband heart, they their hand.
It did their hand.
Either we take it or we leave it.
But you still say I dey hammer this thing. But you still know say e no get as some women go talk reach. The man no dey answer.
Now because say no being wife.
No.
Apostle, the fact say I marry Apu for house does not make her my wife.
Okay, what you can make you marry her?
No, Apostle, no, try and understand now. It gets certain things when we need to our person go marry, they marriage. You can't they see the attribute of what you want for another woman body.
Wala dey o.
Attribute of things when you want for another woman body.
Body.
Now, to speak, I be small picking, more than no vessel. Yes, but to a very large extent, I don't follow Apostle Waka. I don't follow several elders Waka, and the first at the foreign Waka, no be to chop, now to teach. They educate me, and by virtue of that, I feel stand on top their shoulder to communicate certain things. You now understand now. This is why it is very important for us to raise generation. Why? Because if you don't raise generation, generation will not come.
Wala dey o.
Only una go know what una know. The next generation no go know anything. And when we start to dey misbehave, And that time now call they say now we be the problem of this country. La lie, no be the
No,
problem.
now.
Now una no agree teach us.
No.
Una no agree expose us. So if una teach us, if una expose us, we will know what we need to know at the right time. And if we know what we need to know at the right time, issues when we dey face for this country, it go dey minimal.
Okay, like the NSAS saga,
Yes, sir.
end bad governance.
Yes, sir.
You know, see, when people they shout NSAS, we were shouting end bad
Bad
governance.
governance, of course.
Now then we call say end Buhari.
Yes, sir.
We talk everything.
We end them.
End Buhari.
We end them that day.
Now, let's assume say those politician wives,
Yeah. Where we toss on the street.
they read there with us. You teaching their husband go hire hoodlums to attack us.
Say Sonolu, the governor of Lagos State.
His wife dey there.
His wife dey lucky that night.
She said go for waiting now.
You want tell me say in wife dey lucky to get that night. They will come do that thing.
It's not possible. Or those top politicians, their wives, they did that night.
Even though say their wife no dey, their children. Now
Joy.
the wife go call the Sonolu say, I don't understand. Oni, what are you trying to do?
My son is there.
Jide is here. You want to go and do what? Oni Jide, can't you see Jide on the screen? You no go work again.
Meanwhile, they don't pack all their children come out.
Yes,
Oh,
so
even that Desmond idiot.
no anything.
Even Desmond idiot. Like say even his girlfriend, even they lucky that night. He get so many girlfriend now. Like say Desmond idiot girlfriend they did that night. He go say no, maybe Tinubu girlfriend, Chief Tinubu girlfriend, they there. That kind of thing no go happen. So that is to say, because all these women they back out because of enjoyment.
And they can't leave only the poor
They
man.
can't leave we to die. We know we'll die. We know that. So which means the solution to all these things is there for the Nigerian politician wife hand.
Of course. If our politician wife can help us talk to their husband, only know what you people are trying to do. No, I don't support it. And then before you know, the wives of House of Rep, their wives, they meet, they do live video like this, say no, what our husbands are trying to do, we say no to it.
And the governor's wife.
They do it as well. I know now.
Now, see,
No.
we dey also they talk about custom. You know, say if those custom wives really come out to say, my husband, let it be. You see the husband no go here.
Why not?
But because of enjoyment, una too like
So
money.
they carry free bag of rice. Come
Free
on.
bag of rice. God bless you, my brother. Those rice when custom say that they seize.
Yeah.
Wait them, they carry and they go
They
north.
go plant them back.
They go they plant am for north. They'll carry and go north. Now they get warehouse. So maybe custom seize rice. All you need do for this problem there, so you bring out those food.
course.
You go share, give people. But now will stock them. After they stock and finish overnight, now carry
Even
and
though
go.
say they no share give people, let's open it economically right now. Even though say they no share give people, as we dey get scarcity of products,
They'll bring them out.
they will bring it out to the market. Use that to stabilize the price of goods.
Okay, more pay this call. What I want to contribute. Yeah, good evening, sir.
So, happy New Year, no.
You say Marine Broadcast. Do you want to contribute?
No, I didn't even know you're in broadcast, so
All right,
I
thank
think
you,
I'll call you
sir.
back later.
All right.
Okay.
Yeah, go
So,
ahead, sir.
As I was saying, to bring out, so for example now, man, I don't forget say for economies, when products dey scarce for market, wetin go happen? Inflation,
You follow.
money go add the price of the goods. So if you know, before you know, if 50 people dey come buy rice for market, and the rice, the bag of rice wey come dey market na only 5, automatically, who get that 5 bag of rice go add money join. So automatically, if the Nigerian government, through custom or whatever, they don't seize all those kind of things, when we get scarcity of commodity like this, they fit bring them come out to help stabilize the price for market number one. Number two, to also make the product available for masses when they come make demand. By doing that, they go fit also fit balance economy. Why they go also fit get money back
To save.
to save when they will fit recycle enter government back.
Oh, Nigeria women, Nigeria politician wife, una don't fail, una be disappointment. All of una. All politician wives, from Buhari down, all of una don't fail. Now, let's assume, say, when Bubu increase fuel, in the year so, and all these senator governor wife come say, no,
You no concern them now.
why will you increase fuel? At first, they see free fuel they drink.
Yes, no.
They see free fuel put for generator. They see free fuel put for motor. What concern the people, they don't
It
care.
not concern them. How what's his name? Boss Mustafa, when COVID-19 just starts. That day when I watched that video for channels, I shook my head. I said, no, this country is a mess. Boss Mustafa open mouth saying, they are aware. Say Nigerian primary health care system was as dilapidated as what he saw. He said,
The man not in Nigeria.
He say no. He say if you listen to him and then you watch him body countenance, the way his body takes sound, the way he then look, you go know say truly this man no know.
No, he know.
No,
He know that this country.
they are not aware.
Why they not there? They blind. They blind.
They don't know. Apostle, they don't know.
Brother, they know.
Apostle, there are so many things that happen in this country. They don't know.
No, he know that this country.
As you speak right now,
Eh.
Apostle, if you dey close to some politician children,
Yes.
if they tell you say they don't know say people they suffer, you see a lie. They've never been seen around children that are poor.
You don't talk and finish.
He get one day with me and my friend, and she just call me. Papa gets my money. Say, Victor, please say, I want to go distribute some items for some orphanage children. I beg you, if you assist me, if you follow me, go. I said, why no problem, let's go. She can't carry one of our younger sister follow body. As we enter there, as a younger sister just see those orphanage children, she just don't enter inside motorbike, just go to cry. What is the problem? She said they are poor. I said they are poor. How do you mean?
So which means this will be my level.
She don't know. She did cry. She did pity them. For dear, she carry phone call her papa. Say she need money. She won't buy toiletries for some children. Right there, papa transfer the money. She was crying. Waiting, I could deduce. I deduce say this pikin don't know anything. Say children they suffer for this country. Jesus, they never knew anything. About this content day, children when we say their school fees na 3 million, 5 million for secondary school. When they find children, we say they raise from inside belly, they raise them inside
with golden spoon.
Abemo no talking.
Okay, check the call show. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
We did live broadcast now. You want to contribute?
No.
All right. Call me back when we are through.
Okay, around what time?
Let's say by 6:30.
I'm calling from Canada. Somebody just gave me your number.
Okay, you can.
Okay.
Okay, coming back by 6:30, man. Well done, man.
Okay.
All right, man. Yeah. Sorry for that.
Okay, I think Mama Efe, they give us beautiful points this evening.
For our brother, now we made a rude now. We'll find out that one.
They give us beautiful points this evening. In Europe, their wives are the one giving laws. You know if you push the or undermine the place of women. I know what here they talk. I be small picking. I never marry. I be small picking,
But get girlfriend.
but I don't learn. I don't learn. So I understand to a very large extent. Say, wives, woman, when be your wife, that man they give her in heart. And if that woman is a good woman, more just play her in types of family, more open up for family. Una don't see families when we say the wife na good woman. How she take dey carry her husband and her husband family. I get one friend. In brother, wife, that woman is so loving. She's like one of the best mothers I've ever seen. Even when her husband get boss, he say he won't say the boss. Now the woman tells I don't understand. You won't say which boss. When your junior brother dey, your last born, say go and give him the boss. Now the man say, He say go and give him the boss. Before you know, by the woman by herself
Driver.
call the boy. Say come to the house. Then the boy go to the house. Then he say, see that boss key, carry him. I don't know which one is that do, but carry him. I say, when the boy come, he say Victor, see you. I say no, you know, mama no be that na mother.
We share about this kind of mother they do.
That na mother.
They plenty.
You imagine say that kind of woman, God help her. Now her husband dey leadership position, and God still dey with her. Why? Because we know say all these things, power, if you know they prepare,
It go
intoxicate
it
you.
go intoxicate
Don't forget,
you.
when we start, I say most of the times, preparedness of our mothers, they prepare, they don't know say this kind of thing go happen. So when it happen, and it go wow them, say, hey, now we be the
Okay, now make we look Ngozi Kojowela
Kojowela, yeah.
and Ebeze whether na Ezekwele, whatever they call her.
Obi Ekezu.
Obi. Now, Obi say he want contest for presidency.
Yeah.
After she don't collect money from people, now she say she no go contest again. What about that one Ngozi Wela? No be that woman they fly, they go now. Let's have an example now. You know that woman get husband. And she dey acknowledge her husband.
Talk reach one stage, make I open and finish.
She dey acknowledge her husband. Now imagine say we can't make this woman Ngozi Wela say, Madam, just come be president of Nigeria for 1 year. My brother, this woman go change this country.
Apostle, I take time to go do research about Ngozi. I look say who be this woman husband?
Okay.
Why? Because for Nigeria, when me know, no woman no fit dey fly like this. Which man they are back when they support her for politics? I can't go do research to go find her husband come out. Apostle, if you see her husband, you don't believe in her husband with that. The man just dey him own lane o.
Yeah, they do you they go.
He just dey do him own dey go.
He's not intimidated.
At all.
Like
at all.
a normal African man.
You
Go
understand?
say, oh, my wife. No.
That one another big problem. So before you know, the African man don dey say, my wife don dey fly past me, and because of that, he go do everything possible
To bring her down.
To bring her down, to discourage everything, to bring her down.
If we laugh her head, she does the sleep with another man. Go say, my wife not get boyfriend. She doesn't stay in all the party. You go from meeting to meeting. Oh God. Why would they wicked ourselves like this? Why? So the solution to this problem, you can imagine. You don't dig and come out.
Now God, you
That time we
God,
cut the chance is small, that time be like stick.
see them.
See them, see the tie. I be put up with me this year. Yeah. Now see Ngozi with the husband that year. He has to be like stick. But today now,
Global icon.
people will get vision.
Global icon. This is why we dey say. So imagine say as Ngozi dey so, her husband be president.
EJ
I'm not
man.
talking about.
My brother, now he be say things for this country, it go change.
So more imagine say her husband na president. Say Ngozi husband na president of Nigeria with that kind of woman when get material for head.
Things go change. Why? Because as she dey fly, the man dey support am. The man dey support am. The man dey support am. So that to say, the solution, 99.9 solution to Nigeria problem, they are our mother's hand.
Our mother.
It also they our mothers, including the politician wife and their grandmother and their mother. Now, oh God bless you. Imagine say for that lucky that night, politician mama did that place.
I wait. They won't try themselves. How now?
How? You go say, my grandmother is there. Oh, don't go there. You say, any Nigerian politician when he sabotage that answer project, God will punish you.
Amen.
Now calamity upon calamity will be your portion.
So most times when they say the youth are the problem of this country,
No, not be you too.
How they look there with a laugh.
No
The
be
youth, no get one thing.
say to talk.
One. Why? Because everything we do today, we learn am from our hand. But what we can't do say, we can't help una use innovation
They call vibrator.
and creativity.
Call vibrator.
We
You
can't-
call the vibrate. Like vibrator when they say they vibrate concrete. They call over what? Vibrator.
Now, shall we drive past one community today?
Oh shit.
Waiting those elders they do for there.
Elders sit down. They do waiting. They drink. They wait for free money. And the youth go see copy. You go say, our papa. Sit down, they drink. Then they also go on that plantain. They drink. Like father, like son.
They
like
sit down.
youth, like elder, like youth, like elders. So which means within they happen for our society is a
We learn
reflection from their fathers and mothers.
Now una show us. We learn am from una. Either una accept them or not.
Girlfriend treating his boyfriend.
How fathers, they sit down, put hot afternoon, hot for table.
We call her. We are discussing.
They sit down.
We are drinking.
They sit down. They shake leg. While the youth surround them, they watch them. Then now go from their own carcass.
Now you hear say now CDA don't come back.
Really?
They don't come back. Oh. In fact, they hide under the guise of Okahele.
Can you imagine?
Who they sponsor them? Not those elders. Now, if we get responsible elder wey not fit control 200 youths, you are not fit to be an elder. You are a disgrace. Why? Because where you sit down, you will tell the elders, now I need development in my community. Like those community who will drive through today. Do you think anybody will ever go there to go and buy land?
No, for where?
It's not possible.
When do aga.
Never. Because if you just say, well, go build out there, you are finished.
If you first enter, you first say no.
Everybody smell.
No, human cannot stay here.
No.
No.
From Obanyato back gate down. I was like, no. You won't go buy land for that. You know who stay.
Look too rugged. What's happen?
You can't stay. You know why? These are reflection of our fathers' failures to build the society. When fathers and mothers fail to build a society, what you not get? Calamity, yes, anarchy. Now you will get. Now I heard that go tell you say, you're more of honeyman. You go say, go and deal with that charge for me. You go sit down. See, the truth be say, any elders where they support evil for this country, now disaster will be your portion.
Amen.
Now the truth be this. So why we the wicked ourselves? Now, sir, you go discover say where we did today, it dey our elders' hand, it dey our mother's hand. Now you know say we dey talk about custom, we want call it say more, no not talk again. See, if the papa and mama of those children, when they see their goods match, now don't provoke me this evening. Those children, where custom, they see their goods anyhow for Bini, from Okada down. Say their parents come match to say, waiting, una they hinder progress for this state. Una they stop our children from bringing goods to this state. My brother, just the custom no go adjust.
Apostle, to a very large extent, they go try.
They go adjust.
But waiting, we need now still the inner caucus inside the government, which we first start with, which is their wife. We don't see situation for this country, Apostle, when we say pensioners, old men, stand up to go protest. They won't carry chair, go for road. Before you know, they carry the police. They use tear gas. The tear gas, elderly people who don't serve their country 35 years. Now they've not paid them their pension. They don't write. Do series of press conference, tired. They don't tire. Now they can't come out to express themselves. Before you know,
police the tear gas. Those police will never get to the age of those elders. Are you aware? Any government officials, when you oppress pensioner, you can never get to their age. Never. And any police, you the tear gas old men, where they fight for their rights, you can never get to the age of those old men. Why? Because either they kill you by gun, or armed robber will shoot you, or you die by accident, or your friend will poison you. You know why? Now what you person plant, now they reap. Now if you see the pensioner, people they street the pension. You as a policeman, you forget that you
65 years, 70 years old.
Good. Now you can't tear gas don't agree you. Don't worry. As you tear gas them, when you reach your turn, you they cry, say they don't pay you pension and God will punish you.
Tear gas them. One news fly some time ago. How police take see what's his name? Atiku's son. They don't drink, they drive for night. And they can't take stop him for Abuja there. You know how much they see inside in moto?
Okay.
Over 18 million naira. Money when he spend remain for club, they go out. Money when he spend remain, it was coming from club. That means he don't spend money. So the money when he spend remain,
Like 18 million
18
naira.
million.
So with me, if 18 million remain, it does pay 50
You
million.
understand? Nice spend remain.
Free money.
Nice spend remain. I beg you. I know come on for this one. We need to raise godly mothers. Women, when go fit help us raise responsible sons and daughters. Sons and daughters, when go understand what it means to build a nation. No be sons and daughters when go get family orientation. Holy Spirit. Now, say most of the time, our parents have trained us in a family way and not in a nation way.
Oh,
Now,
selfishness.
they don't train us, say na my family.
Finish. Don't look any of the outside.
They train us, they raise us, my family. They don't imbibe the culture of togetherness, nationhood. Say, my son, my daughter, you can find yourself in the sphere of leadership tomorrow. And this and this and this are what it means or what it takes to be an effective leader. But instead, we are being raised. That's why
The
you see
family
say,
ways.
that's why you see say,
Selfishness.
Mama,
Greed.
they guide our own children away from our husband and family. They were raised to know just
Themselves.
herself, our husband,
Finish.
and the children.
No look outside.
That kind of one, doesn't have anything called human
See
feeling.
what my brother right now. He says, CDA not let my friend work for his site.
Okay. Now see,
It's matter.
who they in charge of this CDA? Who? So
See,
be still we.
now that's what I'm
The
saying. We
same
dey wicked
Edo
ourselves.
people.
Edo, why we wicked to ourselves?
Somebody said something yesterday. Told me about Apostle. Say you dare not in the north. So you be officer. You come to see Alaji they drive. They come.
You stop
You
him.
won't stop
I
Alhaji.
did it with the man talker.
Stop Alaji. Say Alaji, where's your paper?
He will give you key come out.
Alaji,
They go come out for
your
your work.
paper. How? But come here. Edo man. You go to look it like this. You go to put fire. You go to put fire. As in the south, why? Because they will believe say we speak dirty English. Why?
You
Because
you
we
know
don't go school.
you remember that somebody where they go meet somebody get issue. A friend a lawyer. He go get case. He go meet his friend. What happen? Because a friend say, now my friend I know if he chop money for a hand. Now he introduce give on that person. You know see that guy do that man.
Several things.
For Bini. Because he didn't know if he chop money for a friend hand, he can introduce her to another of his friend. May collect the money for a hand. Why we the wicked ourselves, especially South? In fact, do not come worst. You remember somebody? I will talk this matter. For this Edo diaspora city, somebody for that side send his brother. He said, go check wetin Apostle Alfred dey do whether na true. The person, he drive reach site, he see everything, he like am. He say, I go tell my brother. The person come call me the money. He say, Apostle. I say, yes. Will you give me 50 to 70,000 naira? If you not give me, I go tell my brother me not buy. Now say, hell with you. Tell brother me not buy. Why we dey weak? Because this thing they took me for politicians. I think I go talk am. Now say, tell your brother me not buy.
For your own brother now.
For your brother.
Your own brother send them make it come check.
Make go check.
Now, oh God. When that statement come out, I shake my head. I say, no, we have a long way to go. How my brother go send me that kind of message? I can't reach there. Me, I can't they command, they tell the person say, if you no give me money, I go tell my brother make you no buy and he no go buy.
Just Apostle.
Instant now I stamp as Apostle wish. Say no, let him go.
Go.
Him brother tomorrow, if your brother no buy the land, when he go see the project tomorrow by himself, he go say no, he no take the right decision. Why would the wicked?
Why?
To be honest,
Why?
why?
Why? That matter, I don't try delete her. I don't fit. I say, your brother say you come, you like him. Now you coming for phone. Apostle, I say yes. If you don't give me 50 or 70,000 naira, I will tell my brother me not buy. I say, tell him me not buy. Tell him me not buy. Now you lose. Now your brother lose. Not be me. Now you lose. But the truth, why we the wicked ourselves? Some, you go send a message, it go inflate am.
Heavily. Put better money on
It
top.
go inflate am. Why? Why we the wicked ourselves? Why?
Your brother-
Especially this
Your
time.
brother dey abroad or your sister, you wan build house. You can't say, oh yeah, you dey on ground. Help me manage the project. Before you know, sand don be 5,000. They go say na 8,000 or 10,000. Cement wey be this.
Waiting. Why inflating it? For these few days, we have gathered a lot of experience and we go to expose the evil ones. I'm telling you. We go to expose the evil one. We go to expose the evil one. Just one person, you know. Imagine for love, if I even 50 by 100, the brother one buy. Oh. Yes, 50 by 100. That will give us 70. Just one person. As if say we go chief money when those are take they work for the site. As if say I go sell my house, they go they put those out when they open road for the site. For 2 weeks now, my younger sister see me say, brother, you know they lay again, no. And I say, now stress. Now work for the people. Because people body, even if I live with you, that the people say, better they pay. I say, oh God, better they pay you. Because now the project, now assignment to make life good for our people. Why we the wicked ourselves like this? Why we the wicked ourselves? Why we the wicked ourselves? Tell friend truth, you know the spoil friend. Even one matter, even they will go soft today now. We don't funny enough. Person will go sin as well with the call and not give pick call. After we don't go there, can't they pick a call? No. So you go give them money, say buy land. Maybe that land 1.5 million. You go say now 2.1. Okay, he will get one woman where his brother, your husband sent. Whether a husband, I don't they forget to whether a husband or a boyfriend. As you come, you say, hey, where is motor to this place? You look at that, you laugh. Even person when he bring her come, you say, my sister, make me buy you. Why? Because you don't see where to inflate the price. Now, what they shock them? Because they don't see how to say, hey, God, talk say that now 1 million. No, the company already have its fixed price. You can't change it. You can't inflate it. You can't inflate it. So if you want to go inflate that, you go to that place.
Waiting up for video not full everywhere.
Video not full
I
everywhere.
want to tell your brother say or your sister say na 1.2.
Now 1.2.
Na 900 and 900.
Video not full everywhere. Make me inflate that. You never serious. You go wait, you tire. You wait, you go tire.
All right, so if una realize say waiting with the talk this evening na very paramount issue for all of us to realize say this country to fix am e dey all of us and as a child young boy or young girl you dey watch this video now or you go watch am later make we try and make we cooperate with our parents to take see how we fit take lis ten to them in the area of being a responsible boy or a responsible girl. Yes. And as a parent as well, make we to try, make we dey educate ourselves in terms of parenting. Why? Because say times and seasons they change. Yes. Not the way that they raise children 10 years ago, 15 years ago, now that they raise children now. No. Things don't change. If you give 2 years old picking phone, this Android phone now, wetin you go use this phone do, you no believe am. Wetin you go use this phone do, you no go believe am. How you go take carry your phone, you go on your data, you go enter YouTube, you go dey watch cartoon, you no go believe am. Wetin that 2 years old pikin dey do. And at the same time, there are some parents, as we speak, they no fit handle this Android. And every parent, this na to make you understand, say times they change. So as parents, we must upgrade how we also raise our children. And more importantly, we must see how we fit take raise them to have a nation mentality, to have the consciousness of becoming a leader tomorrow. Not be to raise them to just be you and your wife and your children. No, you and your husband. No. If as they raise me so, they can't raise me with the mentality of leadership, to be responsible. If my wife tomorrow enter politics and she dey lead, I need to understand, say I need to respect her. I need to know, say she get official assignment to attend to. I know all these things. Why? Because say it is part of my upbringing. I was taught as a woman too. As she dey grow, they teach her this nationhood, how to be a responsible wife. You understand? How to be a responsible mother. So she knows, say, Oni, no, you can't do this. And I go still say this over and over again. Any woman, when any man marry and he truly love her, he dance to her tune. I will say it over and over again. And there's no, I be small picking, I agree. There's not anybody will tell me. But any woman, when any man marry and he loves her,
It will dance to a
he
tune.
will always dance to her tune.
So, by the grace of God, build a woman, build a nation.
Yeah.
When you fail to build a woman,
Just scatter everywhere.
the nation is scattered. I better ready to talk.
Okay, you say, Apostle, I know my question is not within your discussion today. Why will those in diaspora been paying for tax clearance to obtain a C of O when we do not live in Edo State?
I believe the state government will give you answer to that. Me, I don't know.
No, okay.
I never go there,
Yes.
so I don't know.
We'll make research on that.
So we will make a research that will give you answer.
Yeah. We'll make research on that and then see. Okay.
Why it be like that?
Yes, why it be like. We'll make research.
Because for now, me, I'm not there aware.
Yeah.
I don't know. So we'll find out and we'll get back to you. Basically, time don't reach for our politician wife to sit down because their eye too big for money. They're too materialistic.
To buy chiffon top.
Buy everything. Want to buy 20 karat gold. We be so no carry go grave. Now I buy house of Dubai, buy everything, buy, bu. I'm a wife of politician, I'm a wife of this. You are enjoying yourself while people are suffering.
My husband does not listen to you. It's a shame.
What be this? Hello, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening. Do you want to contribute? Yeah, we're on live broadcast. Do you want to contribute?
You're on live broadcast.
Yes, yeah, we're on live broadcast.
Are you on live broadcast?
Yes.
Oh, I don't know the topic that you. Okay, I don't know the topic.
All right, let me give you a background.
So
We are talking about.
it will be difficult for me to contribute.
We're talking about why we wicked ourselves.
Why would they wicked ourselves?
Mm.
That one is a very, very, very good discussion anyway.
Okay.
It's a very, very nice one. Because as long as I'm concerned, I feel that the wickedness of man is not just left for us alone in Benin anyway. Let me use that word, Edo State.
Yes.
Because I'm from Edo State. So let me generalize it like Edo State. I'm not going to talk about the whole of Nigeria because I know we have so many states in Nigeria and so many languages, So what I just believe is the wickedness from our state is just major part of it is illiteracy. So many of them are not really wicked, but because of their illiterate mind, because of their illiterate attitude, because they are not learned, because they are not educated, so you find out that sometimes they do things out of ignorance,
Yes. Oh.
knowing partially that it might hurt the other person, but they just do it because they want to. Sometimes because of profit, they want to profit from that situation. Sometimes because they want to, sometimes they even feel they want to build their life, their economy from those kind of attitude,
Okay.
So, but we just only pray that God should direct us because mostly I'm just talking about Edo State because Edo State, to be very sincere with you, my brother, that state, I'm from Edo, I was born in Benin, I grew up in Benin, everything. So, but the problem we are having there is really, really big because we have a long way to go there. Because our youth, they are very, very, the majority of them are blind.
And lazy.
You know?
Blind and lazy.
Them are blind. They are blind, they are lazy. No, that laziness comes from lack of education. You know, it comes from lack of awareness. You know, and some of them are really lazy, but majority of them are not really lazy. But because of there is no exposure, there is no education, there is no awareness, they fall a victim of being lazy at the end of the day. You understand? So we need enough of education in our society. We need enough of awareness in our society. We need people to come out with educational stuff, you know, like yours and like so many others that I'm seeing online, you know, things like that. So we just need to work very hard to push that state forward. If not, with the level that we have today, you know, it's 10 over 100.
Thank you, sir.
You know?
Well said. Thank you, sir.
You know?
Well said. All right, sir.
Thank you very much.
All right,
thank
sir.
you.
Yeah.
Okay, bye-bye.
So, my people, now here we go draw or close. Okay. Is it draw, close, or okay, jam? Okay, Victor said jam. Now here we go jam the cutting. Una do well. Let's see how we can build our nation. Politician wife, talk to your husband. Israel wife, talk to your husband. Not let greed go push you, scatter yourself. Talk to your husband, wanna build the state. Then Bobu wife, you don't go to Dubai. Come back. Come and tell your husband not to sell our assets. You understand? So all the thank God for Obaseki wife. The wife, Obaseki wife, I try. You try, give 3 bozai because you have been there. You are trying. You are a good woman. In fact, you are a woman of substance. And the other stakeholders, wife, make una sit down, do the right. Even Tinubu never get wife self because a wife she just be self-centered. You know that? Okay, tomorrow we'll not start. Tomorrow we'll bring Tinubu wife matter, and we'll bring their wife matter. Don't worry. So my people, let's continue to support ourselves. Let's see how we can help our brothers and sisters to grow and to succeed. Una do well to the join this broadcast. I really appreciate all of una. When the person they take time, now they subscribe. It's not easy. Una go sit down, they listen to what you they talk, una they contribute, all the wonderful comments. Now God go bless all of una. My name is Chidime Apostle Alfred. Oh, you know, sir. Can I call it no shaking? I call God no shaking. Talk as it be. Say it the way it is. What is not good is bad.
And I remain my humble self, Victor Olise.
God bless you and have a wonderful night rest.
Thank you.
Abeg, help us share this video. If you get anything to add join wetin Apostle Alfred Uyinusa don talk today, you fit put your own for comment section. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make you for dey current with all the things wey dey happen for Edo State. So make I leave you with this video, make you help us share am. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.